Hey everyone, this is Dirk. So I finally got it, the TT Artisan 35mm f1.4. I wanted to finish this video review already 3 weeks ago, but this little guy stuck 3 weeks in a snowstorm in a FedEx location in Memphis, Tennessee. Now it's here, and now let's take a look if it makes sense to purchase a $73 lens and if it's usable at all. Unboxing a TT Artisan's lens is always an event. First of all, I really like the fact that it's factory sealed and you can see directly that you have a brand new lens, not a used one, not a refurbished or returned copy. The box feels premium, but most importantly, the lens feels premium. It is made of metal and it's really heavy. It has a screw-on lens protection, and that's one of the downsides of TT Artisan. I wish there was a way to attach a lens hood. It clicks when you're changing the aperture, which I personally prefer for a lens like that, so you can't change aperture by accident. The focus ring goes nice and smooth and has a pretty long travel distance. The first negative thing I noticed was that this lens sits so tight on the mount that sometimes it takes real force to get it off the camera. Now let's take a look at sharpness. Center sharpness at f1.4 is pretty good, corners are a bit soft. It gets much better at f2.8. In center it's almost perfect and the corners are already usable. The lens performs at its best at f5.6 and it gets a bit weaker after f8. The lens has some barrel distortions, but they are minor. And of course at f1.4 you have some vignetting, but as soon as you stop it down to f2.8 the vignetting is almost gone and it is completely gone after f4. This video was taken at f1.4 against very strong backlight to see the chromatic aberrations and color fringing of the lens. The next video was a day scene, shot at f5.6 at a long distance, and I focused on the truckload. Focusing with this lens was not always easy, and sometimes I didn't get sharp images at f1.4. To test the TT Artisan 35mm f1.4 at a real photo shoot, I joined Leon at his beach shoot with model Jamie. Since focusing with moving subjects can be tricky, I decided to shoot at f2.8. And I was blown away by the results and its sharpness. And finally some videos. I shot at f5.6 because I had to track a moving subject. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about this lens. 73 bucks. Is it worth the money or not? If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.